we're going to make the cork pop off the bottle. What we're going to do is pour the baking soda in here, and then after that we're going to put distilled white vinegar in here, and then plan the cork on the plastic pan and get back. Not too much.
It's a tiny bit. Okay, go. Go, Kenneth, go. Bad! Whoa! Was that fun?